Hey there, this is the tow guy. I'm pulling in over here. You got one blocking the garage. Building 10. Okay. I guess I'll have to get in the gate right here where the punch code's at. Oh, you can get, okay. 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 Okay, you got it. Thank you. Looks like we got a hot one here. Somebody's blocking a garage, and we're fixing to throw some chains on it. Yeah, I see it. Oh, there's some truck. This guy has been stickered, and he's still parked there. He is not going to be happy. Let me tell you that. Anyway, that person that owns this truck right here, looks like they came outside and pulled the sticker off the car, off the truck. They peeled the sticker off, turned around, and didn't move it. I guess they were expecting that nobody would tow it, but that ain't how. That's just not how it works. Was that blocking the maintenance garage?
It was blocking.
I saw the garage. I saw it was blocking, but I guess it was the residence, or I saw the maintenance guy out there too.
Yeah, well, she's been parking in the handicap several times.
I've stickered it before in the handicap.
Yeah, she parked there. She parks there probably every other day.
And I saw the sticker pulled off too.
Yeah.
And I've also, remember you told me to tag the ones that were in the handicap zone before, back late last year.
Yeah, we have.
I stickered all of them. And that was one of them too.
Yeah, and then we just got an email about 2 days ago from another resident
about that truck.
Complaining about that truck.
Well,
she always does that, and she parked in front of those garages, which are resident garages.
Yeah, they rent them. Yeah, I know they rent them.
So in one of those garages is her garage, but she's still blocking the other.
Blocking, yeah, you can't do that. No, that's crazy.
So do I sign?
Anywhere down there's fine. Yeah, anywhere down there's fine.
Alrighty.
And the pink one's yours. I get it for you. Just the back one. No problem. I get it for you. It's the pink one. Hey, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Anyway, I guess you could hear that. This particular resident's been causing a lot of problems on this property. Parking in handicap spots on a regular basis, and I've got video. Pretty sure I've got a video clip of me stickering this truck. So we're gonna get out and check it and see. I don't see no handicap placard hanging. Maybe it's got a handicap tag. Oh, big! Look at that. You ain't got no handicap tag on that one. I think she's probably gonna have me tow a couple of these. Anyway, I'm back at the lot with this particular truck. It's got a good tag and everything, but it got stickered. It got stickered, and they pulled the sticker off. This is Tater right here. He's been impounded too for a lot of years. Steven pulled that one off. He pulled that one out for him so he could get it from the front. And now we're gonna pull out this gold Mercedes-Benz right here. Steven's gonna pull it out and wheel lift it. Hey, I need that lockout rod. You got a pump bag?
No, but I don't.
I'm gonna tie that steering wheel off. Huh? My wedge is in my car. I'll get Taylor's wedge. Hey, what? What do you mean, what are we doing?
My car is registered.
Okay, all right.
My paperwork's in the car. They lost my sticker. My registration is in the car.
Well, listen, guys, listen. All we do is show if cars
Contact
in
the office. Contact the office right now. Contact the office right now. No,
listen,
contact the office right now.
Did you get an orange sticker?
Sir, my car is registered.
I understand. Hey, let's calm down. I understand.
My paperwork is in the car.
Okay.
If you tow my car, I will sue the shit out your company. I promise you that.
Okay. Well,
My shit is registered. Contact the office.
okay, I understand.
You need to contact the office.
And I told them, they said they would contact you all and say, look, this car shouldn't be on that list. It's registered. I showed them paperwork.
I'll tell you what's happening.
My paperwork is in the glove compartment. I can show you that. They lost my sticker in the mail. What am I supposed to do with that?
2020.
Listen, I understand.
So just because I don't have a sticker, but the registration is legit, you're going to tow the car anyway.
Listen, it's a 17 tag. What's the law? If they lose, the 18 and 19. I mean, hey, I'm just saying, man, all we do is do all we hold is what the
So you mean to tell me that the office said I will contact them if you're okay? I will contact them and let them know this should be on the list. You're still going to tow them.
all we need to do is just
They work the book. They do not work the book.
How much is it? I'm right there.
Anyway,
Get his wedge.
where's his wedge at?
Wait. That's mine too. Hold on. Again, the office, we got an extension for that shit. Hold on.
You don't have extension on it, man.
We just talked to the office 2 minutes ago.
Who did?
My wife just went and talked to them like 3 hours ago.
Oh man, that's
See,
fine.
that's-
That's
see,
fine.
thank
That's
you.
fine. That's fine. I wish you'd have told us that, man. We would have just hooked this thing, man. Come on, man. Oh, we would
Well,
have
y'all
just.
just up here jacking stuff in the office.
Well, you
If
ain't
they-
got
if
no-
They don't contact you to say, hey, look.
You ain't got
they
no
crossed this shit
tags.
off the list.
You ain't got
How
no
am I supposed to
tags
know?
on your cars. You got to get tags on them, man.
We just got the car.
Come on, man.
We haven't got it registered yet. So come on, what you expect us to do?
Well, why didn't you just tell us that was your car, man? Hey, all you had to do was say that, man, that you're having complications with the office.
Look here.
Hey, we're not going to
I'm
hook
about
your
to pay
car.
for
We
this
already got
and get
one.
it off your truck.
I know.
I'm gonna call the office and we'll handle all this, all right?
Okay. I understand what you're saying, man, but you got to put yourself in our position, man. We're here working for the property to get
I
cars
get that.
like
But
that
if
one.
if the property's
it
not
don't-
communicating to you,
I know,
after we talk to
That's
them,
why you.
That's why we're having an impasse
That's what I'm
right now.
saying. Why didn't you tell us, hey, that one's also mine? So let us know. We're not looking stupid out here, man. You know what I'm saying?
The office, we've contacted them. We told them, hey, here's the situation with these cars. Showed them the paperwork. Said we sent the
understand.
paperwork to get this registered because they have to wait for Florida to send a title for this car back to even
Yeah.
get it registered.
I understand.
They said
Yeah.
we give you a week. We said, okay, well, it's gonna take more than a week.
Yeah.
So we're gonna actually take this and have to store it
Yeah.
until we can get the paperwork done. But the office should have told you that. They don't say, hey, you gotta contact the car company and then explain your situation. That should be their job. Am I wrong in assuming that?
They marked
Wow.
other people up, they didn't mark you off.
We're just all we could do is tow the cars that are not valid, man. and that
Well,
was-
I'll deal with them,
Okay.
and I understand your position. I'll deal with them, but they should have communicated to you all that, hey, these are 2 cars that shouldn't be on that list.
So this one right here is up there. It's got to be paid out. I mean, that one's got $100.
Oh, I'll get reimbursed. I'm not playing. I'm not worried about that. I can
Okay.
give you my car now and pay for it. I can do that.
That's that's the best bet to pay that one out,
175.
because it's more money and it's more time, more inconvenience. You
Yeah,
know
no,
what I'm
I
saying?
can pay you that now. I'll give you
Okay.
my car and
Okay.
pay
You
that
got a
now.
key
And
still?
tray.
It runs? Everything? Yeah. Okay, so
Hey, listen, all we're doing is our job. We're not trying to make it hard on people. We're not. All we're doing is taking cars that don't have tags. Hey, yours happen to be somebody that drives the cars that run. There's a bunch that don't run.
Oh no, I've seen them sitting around.
That's what we remove them. That's what we do. We don't try to make it hard. And we're not trying to make it hard on you.
You just barely hooked it up.
Bro, it's off the ground. Like, that's law.
No. No,
Okay,
the office is
okay.
gonna take care of that.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm just asking.
We're just asking.
You
I
can
mean,
drop that. You might as well act like that was never even hooked up.
Camera.
Come on, man, stop being so technical on me. Like the office is over right now.
You see that? I lose my job for.
I'm at the yard. We got one of our regulars. This guy here. And he's a painter. He's a painter in Norcross, and he's been known to piss off the boss a lot. He comes around here a whole lot, and he thinks he works here. He comes over here like he works here, and kind of makes himself at home. And I'm gonna go up here and get some video of him. He's hanging out over here today. The boss and him are actually pretty good friends, but he don't want him hanging out here too much.
What's up, Ruben? Yeah.